Just a few pictures of my apartment complex. Snow's like awesome. Goes up to my freaking knees. I'm only 5'4", but that's alright. Look at all these cars. They're just like freaking covered. It's awesome. Little side note. It's proof black people do play in the snow. There you go. Wow. All these trees. It's like amazing. Stupid plows. Wow. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Yeah, that window is usually about 5 feet. And it goes all the way up to that on that hill. Yeah. That's awesome. That tree used to not look like that. It's alright. It's cool though. Got it. I am walking in the middle of the road. But here comes a snow plow who's gonna plow the fuck out of me if I don't get the hell out of the way. Shit. Much as I like snow, I don't want to be covered in it. And there he goes. Yeah. America. It's like awesome. Look at that. Right. Yeah, there he goes. There you go. Can't see. Yeah, whatever. Screw it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, for me, Blizzard 2012, 2013, what the fuck ever, it's not that bad.